Hey guys, this is Arshdeep here and today we'll talk about skins, specifically the skins from Gadgetshieldz. So without any further delay, let's begin. I have used skins from popular brands like dbrand and Slickwraps, and they do make good quality skins. But this time I decided to check Gadgetshieldz. Just like dbrand and Slickwraps, the skins from Gadgetshieldz are good. The cuts are precise, the texture is good, and the overall quality is great. Applying the skin is quite easy. If you have all the infinity stones, then you just have to snap your fingers and it will be done. Otherwise, you can check their tutorials on their website. The most attractive thing about Gadgetshieldz is the price. These skins only cost 500 rupees, which is great in my opinion. The skin library of Gadgetshieldz is actually a mix of dbrand and Slickwraps, mostly dbrand though, and I'm fine with it. I don't have any problems, except the problems in my... Other than skins for phones, Gadgetshieldz makes skins for Surface Pro 4, Google Home, PlayStation 4 and MacBooks. That's it. Well, skins change the whole look and feel of the device, so you can use them if you are bored looking at your device. And not only that, skins actually help to protect your device from scratches. So, do I recommend buying skins from Gadgetshieldz? Well, of course yes, and if you are in India, then it's even great because you'll get your order faster. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then drop a like on this video. If you are new on the channel, then don't forget to subscribe and also turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. Till next time, this is Arshdeep here and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.